Magandang hapon po ng February 24, 2024 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng February 24, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, February 24, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 24, 2024, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 77.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 7 million pesos for February 24, 2024, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for February 24, 2024, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.